Vector is a group of values. We can only use vectors to store Boolean values, integer values, float values, or pointers. And the size of vector is fixed. We can't use the len to get the length of a vector. Let's create a variable v1. Let's create a vector to store to this variable. We will use built-in function add vector to create a vector. And the first argument we will pass the size of the vector we want to create. So let's give it a size 5. Then the elements type. Let's give it a type ISR2. So we will store the integer value to this vector. And let's add 5 initial values to this vector, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's create a second vector, const v2. This time, let's add a type annotation. We use at vector, and let's give it a size 5. Also, type is ISR2 integer value equal to the curly brackets. Then we will add the initial value to this vector, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can add 2 vectors together. Let's create a third variable v3 equal to, let's add a v1 vector plus v2 vector. It will add the elements at the same index together. Like it will add the first element in this v1 vector to this first element in this v2 vector together. So it will equal 2. And the second element 2 will plus this second element in this v2 vector and equal to 4. Let's print out this v1 vector. Try std.print the curly brackets v1. Let's add a backslash to add a new line. Let's also print out the v2 vector and the v3 vector. We can use the index number to access single element in a vector. That's the second element in this v1 vector. So square brackets will pass the index number 1. The second element in a vector's index number is 1. In terminal, let's 这个 run main 打这个 So you can see, first it will print out the v1 vector, and second it will print out v2 vector, and third it will print out this v3 vector. This v3 vector is v1 vector plus v2 vector. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10. And last, we print out the second element in this v1 vector is 2. This is about our vector. Hope to see you next time.